Hello everyone, so here let me introduce you this coaster raisin art kit which is absolutely beginner friendly, and let's see what's inside the box. In this kit you will get a raisin manual, DIY instructions, different floral insta transfers, resin and hardener, coaster mold, alcohol ink and pigment powders, gold foil and sticks, gloves and paper cups. So here I'm taking a 20 gram of a raisin and 10 gram of a hardener in one cup, and I've stirred it and I've mixed it well here, and adding my white pigment powder. Just on a very little portion I've added a white, not on the entire raisin hardener what we created. And in the half of this one I'm making my white. So covered more than a half with the white color. Taking some more clear raisin, and here I've added my golden foil inside this one, and we'll stir it nicely and pouring remaining leftover area. So let's allow it to dry for 7-8 hours, and then we will work on the floral sheets. So here this is dried completely after 3-4 hours, and now we are going to take a floral sheet and we will just give a simple cutting from the sides. After cutting, do not forget to remove the plastic film from the top. This is the most important step, and here I'm placing it on my white background area. Stick it nicely. Applying clean water and applying with my wet brush on the sheet. Here once you apply the water all over your sheet, gently remove the top layer and your flower will be transferred on your base. And look at this, it's looking so pretty. After doing a transfer sheet, I'm just pouring my clear raisin on the top layer, and that has to be very thin layer, and you need to allow it to dry for 3 to 4 hours minimum. Once this dry completely, we're gonna demold from the mold, and after demolding, this is how it looks like. And we have created few more designs using the same kit, and look at this, each and every coaster has turned out so beautiful. Even you can use it at the back side also. So this is a double side coaster. From the back side it's a very basic and a gold foil, and from the front side it's a floral ones. So do let me know in comment which one side you like the most, and if you also want to try your hands, you can grab this kit from our website, or also you can check it from the nearest vendor.